Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to change order status of digital product after purchase to completed using plugin in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in shop page. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. So we are going to install plugin. Then in search plugin, write autocomplete WooCommerce order. So we are going to change order status for completed for digital product which include virtual and downloadable product. So this is plugin we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see WooCommerce and then you see settings. So click on it and then you see multiple tabs. So click on autocomplete order. So click on it. So we are in settings and then you see autocomplete order mode drop down, now off, now select, and then you see virtual order. So you can select virtual order. Again you see another option virtual and downloadable order. Now select. So you can select option according to requirement and then click on save changes. So this plugin work with all payment gateway like Stripe or PayPal. Now setting saved. So after that, if customer place order and purchase digital product or virtual product, then order status will be changed to completed order status irrespective of payment status. Now go to shop page. So this is our digital product. So click on it and then you see add to cart. So again click on it. So click on checkout. So we are in checkout page. So this is our digital product. So when customer select credit card or PayPal payment gateway and then click on place order, then order status for this order will be completed irrespective of payment status by using this plugin. So we are using free version of this plugin and then you see pro version, direct bank transfer, check payment, cash on delivery. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.